Alright guys, welcome back to Revel Ranch. Today's project, I'm going to see if I can get this tire, a full-size 37, into the factory spare location of my Ram 2500. As you can see, there's a notable size difference, this being the stock tire and this being the full-size 37. I see a lot of stuff online saying that this won't work. I guess today we'll find out. I'm gonna go get these things mounted and I'll see you when I get back. Okay, as you can see, we've got some size discrepancies, but I think if we clearanced the front and the back, I think we might be able to fit it. I think I want a little bit more. Alright, not bad. We do have this one lip hanging down, which I might let some air out. I do have some room here now I was able to get it in between the frame. This is a little close on the track bar, but I don't see that being an issue. It's not really coming up too much higher than that, and it's not coming back, and there's about 1 inch of clearance. So, I think that's okay. And then on this side, the exhaust side, we got the shield that fits in the shield. So yeah, I think it's gonna work. You're probably thinking, well, not much of a spare without air, and normally you'd be right. Years ago I made this to-go ARB compressor kit. You got your air, so your air chuck goes right in there, and your on-off switch, yeah, just Harbor Freight container. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to know more about this. I have a full-size 37 under there. That's pretty cool. Make sure my head fits. God, these things are so heavy. And there you have it. I got a full-size 37 under the truck. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.